today is day 6. Thank you, Marla, for sharing your recipe.
We're also going to post it on the website and on Facebook on the Joy Group page.
We also have a really fun craft to share.
Hi y'all, I'm Shelly, and today we're going to do a crafting video. I tried to think of something that would be fairly quick and fairly easy. So we're going to make a snowman. All you're going to need are a lot of things that you can get from Dollar Tree. You can get them from crafting stores, whatever works best for you. This is a 14-inch floral wreath, and we're going to use this for the body. And then this is an 8-inch floral wreath, and we're going to use this for the head. You can get whatever sizes you wanted, like 10 and 8, 12 and 14, depending on how big you want them. You could also get the same size for the head and the body. What I'm going to use to wrap my floral wreath is going to be a baby blanket from Dollar Tree. And what we're going to do is take this blanket and cut it in strips. In order to save some time, I've already done that, but let me just kind of show you. I'm just going to take this blanket, and as you can see, there's stripes on it. And I chose this because I wanted something soft, and I didn't want white, but I wanted white in it. I'll show you that in a minute. And then we're also going to take a scarf, just a regular person scarf that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm not sure, but we're gonna might use this stocking cap, this beanie, I guess is what they're called. And I got these to match because I didn't want them to be too far off. So what we're gonna do, first thing, is we're gonna take this blanket, or any blanket that you choose, and we are going to cut it in strips. I've taken this and I've cut it just in long strips. Now I cut it in between, as you can see it's gray and then there's a white stripe. So I cut mine in between the white stripes so that I would have gray and white. I'm gonna take the little one first. Now one thing that you're gonna need is either some E6000 glue. You could probably use fabric glue, I've never done that, but you can probably use fabric glue being that you're gonna be using fabric. I always use a glue gun. And what I'm gonna do is start on one of the rings right where the bar is. And I'm gonna take my glue gun. First off, I'm gonna put on my glue gun fingers because I am the world's worst at hot glue and then touching it. So I've got these handy dandy little fingers. And then I've also got this little, it's a makeup tool, but everybody that I know in the crafting world that I watch uses it. So I'm gonna use it. So what we're gonna do is take our hot glue, and I'm just gonna put a string of hot glue right across that line. And then what I'm gonna do is take the end of my strip and place it right there. So then it's just gonna look like this. Now you wanna make sure that you start in the ring where it has like a little dip, which is the back side of the ring. So that's where you wanna start. And so all you're gonna do is take your strips and you're gonna start wrapping it. Now I wrap mine specifically where I can see the white strip because I want the white and the gray to show. As you can see, I'm wrapping it where the white strip is shown. Now once you get to the end of your strip and you're gonna put on a new one, you wanna make sure that new strip is gonna start over in the back of the wreath, like I was talking about, that little dip there, which is the back. So instead of wrapping back around, I'm gonna take it and cut it right here, and just cut it right here, and then I'm going to glue it. Now I'm gonna glue mine down. I'm just gonna take, again, a little bit of hot glue right there at the end, and I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna take the next one, and I'm gonna start it on the back side where I left off. And now you're gonna do this for both of the rings that you have. Once you get those done, you will have 2 rings. You'll have the little one, and then you're gonna have the big one. So you can see where the form is coming together. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this small one and I'm gonna hot glue it to the big one. So if you want to, you can always use another one of the strips and wrap it around to keep it steady between the two, and then just hot glue it together because the scarf is going to cover it up. So I'm going to wrap that around there. You see how I did that? You can also use ribbon if you would like. I mean, the baby blanket makes enough strips in order to go all the way around with just one blanket. Now, if you get two bigger rings, you might need a second blanket to cut up if that's what you use. But of course, like I said, you can always take ribbon. Like I've got this ribbon with the snowflakes on it, and you're gonna wrap it around just like you would the other stuff. A lot of times you have to wrap it almost double because it sees through the wires. It's gonna take more ribbon than it would, but you can see you're just wrapping it and wrapping it all around. I am going to do my scarf. So I'm going to take the scarf and I'm going to put it underneath the neck, and then just depending on how you do a scarf. So I'm going to double it up, and then I'm going to wrap it around and pull it through. That way it's not as big. You can glue it on if you want to, or however you want to deal with it. And so see, he's just going to have a little scarf hanging. Some people will take foam board like this. It's a big piece. I didn't cut it down, sorry. So you can get foam board, again, at the Dollar Tree, cut out a circle and put it in the middle and in the top, and you see then they're full. And then if you want to put a face on it or whatever, if you did this, you can also do, they have little metal letters sometimes, you just have to look for them. Again, all this stuff you can get at a craft store if you want to spend that much money, but I'm all Dollar Tree all the time because it's $1, y'all. Okay, so this is what it finally looks like when I got it hung up on the wall. And my hat's a little wonky, I think, but I can fix that. So what I also did was I did go ahead and make a second one to show you guys what it's like. So this is the second one I made. You know, I said that you could use ribbon, which I did. I just used some ribbon. Now it took more ribbon than it did the blanket. I used ribbon around it. Then I just took some felt and made a hat, and then I had a little styrofoam snowflake to put on there. I put the white foam board in the back so that I could hang something else, or like you could make a face up by his deal right around here. You can make a face. This Let It Snow I had from a different sign from Dollar Tree, and I just took it off of that because I'm using the board for something else. So I decided just to pop him in there. And then the scarf, which is kind of funny, the scarf I bought at Dollar Tree is actually a dog scarf that you can put on your dog. I put it on my dog once. He hates it. He never goes out. So I thought, what the heck? I washed it up and put it on the snowman. That's my dog. So, all right, so that's what it is for you guys. I hope that I made it look simple, because it really kind of is. It's just basically wrapping and gluing. Anything that you can do that you set your mind to, you can do it. You just gotta take the time to figure it out and use your creativity. We've got creativity in all of us. Just use it so you can get it done. So I hope you guys understood what I said, and I hope you liked the video. Thanks.